Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my second video on LPP formulation and for minimization case. Problem is like this. The pharma company manufactures or produces two types of tablets, tablet A and tablet B. The pharma company manufactures multivitamin tablets of two sizes or two types A and B. Tablet A contains 80 milligram of ubiquinol, 80 milligrams of vitamin E. These are the contents of that tablet. And third one, 400 milligram of omega 3. Therefore, A contains three types of contents: ubiquinol, vitamin E, and omega 3. Tablet B contains 100 mg of ubiquinol, 100 milligrams of vitamin E, and 600 milligrams of omega 3. This is the given information. It is found that it is found by users that it requires at least, the word at least is important here, 300 mg of ubiquinol, 250 mg of vitamin E, and 800 mg of omega 3. This is the another information provided for getting relief. Then question is, it is required to determine the least number of tablets. Least, again word least is important here. Number of tablets a patient should take to get a relief. And where to formulate linear programming problem for this given problem. Formulate LPP. Therefore, we consider, let x1 be the number of tablets to be taken by the patient of type A. For getting relief. And x2 be the number of tablets x2 be the number of tablets, of type B to be taken by the patient to get the relief. Therefore, this is the assumption. X1 and X2 are number of tablets. Then we summarize all the given information in this table. Tablet, two types, A and B, and contents in that tablet: ubiquinol, second vitamin E, and third omega 3. Then we substitute the values for tablet A, tablet B, and the required values or requirement. Tablet A contains 80 mg, all these values are in mg, milligram. First para gives the content of A, therefore it is 80, 80 and 400. For tablet B, it is 100, 100 and 600. And the contents 300, 250 and 800. Then objective function is we have to least number of tablets, minimum Z is equal to x1 plus x2, and it depends on the constraints. First one for the first type, that is ubiquinol, second for vitamin E, and third for omega 3. Therefore, constraint becomes 80x1 plus 100x2 greater than or equals to 300. Second, 80x1 plus 100x2 greater than or equal to 250. 400x1 plus 600x2 greater than or equal to 800. Why greater than or equals to? As it is at least. At least means minimum 300 up to maximum. And non-negative restriction is x1 and x2 must be greater than or equals to 0. And this is the required linear programming problem formulation. Please like my video, hype it, share the video, and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to receive the notification for such type of new videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.